Summer is incomplete without our favorite lemonade recipe, and this one will surely tantalize your taste buds. This is a power packed drink with sugar and a little amount of spice. The addition of cardamom gives a very sweet fragrance in every sip, and it's a refreshing drink for iftar. To make this drink, take one whole lemon with a quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder, freshly grated ginger, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon mint leaves with quarter cup sugar. Also, add a small piece of green chili for a spicy flavor. Add all the ingredients into a high power blender and blend for a minute. Strain the juice and serve it immediately. It's an instant refreshing drink which is sweet with a little amount of spice in it. Beets are one of the healthiest and most nourishing and detoxifying foods among veggies. They are high in immune boosting vitamin C, and as moms, we try to include it in salads, to soups, to smoothies, and sometimes even desserts. Stocking up orange slices in freezer makes it really simple and easy while preparing any smoothies with veggies. Add in half cup of orange juice with a cube of beetroot and carrot puree. Pressure cook beetroot and carrot in a regular cooker. Once the pressure settles, chop it into fine pieces and blend it into a fine puree. Make cubes out of it by placing it in an ice cube tray. This stays good for 2 weeks of time, and a cube of this puree goes into our daily smoothies. This smoothie does have a beet flavor to it, so if you do not like the beet flavor, add more orange juice to the smoothie. Frozen bananas can also be added to make it more creamier. It's easy to make with just a few simple ingredients, and it's a great way to sneak in nutrition through a glass of smoothie. Sneak in more vegetables in your diet with this red beet smoothie, and it's made with ingredients that's left over in the pantry. To make this breakfast smoothie, take a handful of almonds with half cup milk along with chopped fruits. Here I'm using a spoonful of mixed cocktail. Fresh apples can also be used instead of canned fruits. Also add a tiny piece of ginger. In a blender, add a cube of beetroot carrot puree with all other ingredients. Blend all the ingredients together with a teaspoon of honey. It's creamy and it's a filling smoothie first thing of the day. The Beetroot Carrot Milkshake visually looks like a fruit smoothie, but it's packed with nutrients from veggies. In a high-powered blender, add 2 cubes of beetroot carrot puree with half cup milk. Add in a scoop of vanilla ice cream with minimal water if required. Blend on high and add sugar or honey for extra sweetness. It's an easy and rich milkshake made from beets. Garnish with nuts and serve it immediately. If you like my video, do give a thumbs up and do subscribe for more videos from this channel. See you soon with another video.